Hi students, welcome to the channel. Our today's topic is types of cloud migration strategies. In cloud computing, we have generally three basic types or patterns of cloud migration. There are mainly three types, right? And these are always work in a particular order. They run from easiest and fastest to more difficult and bigger benefits, right? So the first point we have is lift and shift. Second point is move and improve, and the third stage is rip and replace, right? This is very easiest and fastest, and this is the most difficult, but this stage has more drawbacks, and in case of rip and replace there is no drawback available. So let's start with the first point, that is lift and shift. This stage is also known as rehosting stage, right? It is quick and require minimal refactoring. We have discussed refactoring in detail in the previous video, but the downside of lift and shift include the fact that you may miss out on benefits you would see if going cloud native, right? Because you are performing the bare minimum changes needed. This means that you could end up paying for the speed and the ease of your migration in the long run, right? And this is its major drawback, and at least when compared to a more through applications, right? So lift and shift can be used for simple low impact workloads, particularly by any organization that are still far from the cloud maturity. And if your current setup includes load of virtual machine, it's relatively straightforward, right? And there are so many products from vendors. Vendors means service providers. Okay, so there are so many products from vendors that claim to help you automate your migration. So this is about lift and shift type. So this is the easiest type and it has so many drawbacks, right? And we can use it for simple low impact workload organization. In general term, we can say it as this is generally used for low scale organizations only, right? This is not suitable for the large scale organizations. So this is about lift and shift system. The second type we have is move and improve, right? This is also known as replatforming. As its name implies, this is generally used if we want to rechange the platform, and it always works with PaaS, service providers, that is platform as a service. So the move and improve approach to migration include making some modern updates to your application, used for some modern updates for our systems, right? Like introducing scaling or automation without throwing the whole thing out. And this approach can seem like the superior option at a glance, but it can result in migrations where you keep where you keep all your technical data and get none of the cloud native benefits. So in such situations, we can use move and improve type of migration technique. The third point is rip and replace. This is also known as refactoring. Phase. This approach is also known as refactoring and re-architecting. Right? It means rebuilding your workload. Rebuilding your workload from scratch. That means from zero level, right? To be cloud native. To be cloud native, right? It takes an investment. If we want to use rip and replace, then it wants some investment in time and skill development. Right? But it pays out with the maximum benefits available in the cloud, right? That means this type has so many benefits. While every organization and workload is unique, if the reason for moving to the cloud is to take advantage of its awesome benefits and capabilities, embracing cloud native design principles should be your approach, right? So this means taking the time to plan. It will take time to plan and do things right, ensuring your people have the necessary skills. They should have necessary skills to make the move and refactoring your code, right? This is for refactoring the code of our software, right? It always used SaaS, that means software as a service. So all these three are the major types of cloud migration strategies. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.